Hello Cloud9 Crafters, thanks for joining me. I don't have a card for you today, but I wanted to show you how I organize and store my stencils. I've been struggling with this, changing things up a few times, and now I finally found a solution I like. There are actually two ways I wanted to discuss, since I find them equally good. So let's jump right in. For this first way, you can use 6x8 pocket pages and bookbinder rings. You can see me flipping through the different stencils here. So these are just 6x8 pocket pages held together with bookbinder rings. I've had most of my stencils for this for about a year now, and I actually still have this method for a few of my stencils, like Heavy Doodle and the MFT stencils. It's easy to flip through, and they fit into a box on one of my shelves. You can also put them flat in a drawer next to your desk if that's where you store yours. Now the second way is to use a binder with the same 6x8 pocket pages. I want to thank my fellow Cloud9 Crafts design team members since they gave me the idea of switching the bookbinder rings. As you can see here, I store all my lawn fawn stencil in this pretty pink binder. I used to trim down white cardstock for every stencil, but now I just use the backing paper the stencil comes in. I find it easier, quicker, and it also wastes less paper, so that's a good thing. If I use white cardstock, I write down the name of the stencil on it. I don't do that with the backings because it already has the name right on it. Here you see me using the 3x4 pocket pages. They are a perfect fit for the Lawn Fawn reveal wheel template. It fits them perfectly. Now, those slimline stencils are a bit oversized, so these hang out a bit on top of the binder, but I really don't mind that. I just like the idea that all stencils are organized by company, so I don't want another method for these slimline ones. I store these slimline stencils all the way back of my binder, and then the more essential stencils like the hillside and the grassy ones are stored all the way in the front. The other random ones are stored alphabetically. Now I will have a link down below with different options for binders, pocket pages and bookbinder rings. You can see what works best for you and your own little craft space. Let me show you the process when I get my new stencil. As mentioned before, I just use the backing the stencil comes with, and I cut it with a paper trimmer, so it's about 6x8 inches. Just like I do here, and then I slide my cardstock into a full-sized pocket page, which is 6x8, and then you can just add your stencil to this pocket. Write down the name of the stencil and the company if you want, and then you can add it to your other pocket pages, which are held together by the bookbinder rings or by my pretty pink binder here. So I personally am very happy with this storage idea for my stencils. I hope this helped you out, and I will see you again very soon. Now have a great day. Bye!